Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a car that's been a fan favorite for years, the 2025 Nissan 370Z sports car. Now, if you're a true car enthusiast, you know this car has been an icon in the sports car world. But with the 2025 model, Nissan's making sure it still has plenty of life left in it. So let's go through the exterior, interior, performance, and price to see how it holds up. Starting with the exterior design, the 2025 Nissan 370Z sticks to the traditional Z car style we all know and love, but with subtle updates to keep it fresh. The front end gets a sleeker, more aggressive look, with a new set of LED headlights that really give the car a bold presence on the road. The body maintains that classic, low-slung shape with a curvy profile and flared fenders that give it an athletic stance. One of the key elements that stands out is the updated front bumper, which adds a more aerodynamic feel. And of course, the wide grille gives the car that iconic Z look. From the side, you'll notice the 370Z's sharp lines and a profile that's not only beautiful, but also designed for performance. It's got a wide, muscular stance, and the rear end has that iconic sloping design that complements the whole car's sporty vibe. The 2025 model comes with 19-inch wheels, wrapped in wide tires that help grip the road. All in all, Nissan's managed to maintain the aggressive look while refining it with a few modern touches. Moving to the interior, Nissan has kept things driver-fenced, with a cockpit that feels intimate but functional. The dashboard layout is simple yet effective, with easy-to-reach controls and a minimalist feel. The sport seats are wrapped in a mix of leather and synthetic materials, offering a balance of comfort and support for spirited driving. One of the standout features is the center mount display. It's clear, intuitive, and provides all the vital information, including navigation and media controls, right where you need them. As far as technology goes, you get the basics like Bluetooth, a rear-view camera, and Apple CarPlay integration, but don't expect too many high-tech luxuries. Nissan sticks to the essentials, keeping the focus on the driving experience rather than overwhelming you with unnecessary features. That being said, the cabin does feel a bit dated compared to more modern cars in this price range, but it still offers a nice balance of functionality and style. Now, when it comes to performance, this is where the 2025 Nissan 370Z really shines. Under the hood, you've got a 3.7 miles V6 engine that's capable of producing 332 horsepower and 270 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 7-speed automatic, giving you the freedom to choose the driving experience you want. Whether you're shifting through gears yourself or letting the car do the work, the 370Z delivers plenty of thrills. On the road, the 370Z feels agile and responsive. The steering is precise, and you'll feel connected to the road with every turn. The suspension is tuned to give you a smooth ride, while still offering the kind of performance handling you expect from a sports car. As for the price, the 2025 Nissan 370Z starts at around $30,000 for the base model, and can go up to $40,000 or more for higher trims or special editions. This makes the 370Z one of the more affordable options in the sports car category, especially when compared to competitors like the Toyota Supra or Ford Mustang GT. It's a bit of a steal considering the performance and driving experience you're getting for that price. To wrap it all up, the 2025 Nissan 370Z continues to be a solid choice for anyone looking for a pure, no-nonsense sports car experience. The exterior design is aggressive and timeless, the interior is simple but functional, and the performance is still as thrilling as ever. For the price, it offers a lot of bang for your buck, making it one of the best value propositions in the sports car segment today. If you're looking for a car that brings together performance, style, and fun, the 370Z should definitely be on your list.